equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV17 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the cyclone assembly on the top of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cyclone in place. There are typically 3 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe spot for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the cyclone assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some residual dust and debris. This is a great time to use your soft brush to clean any dirt that has accumulated in the area. Now, inspect the cyclone for any blockages or damage. If you notice any cracks or significant wear, it's advisable to replace the cyclone. If you're unsure about the condition of your cyclone, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To install the new cyclone, align it with the main body and push it into place. Ensure it fits snugly before proceeding to secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten each screw firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the cyclone, it's essential to clean the filter. Remove the filter from the vacuum and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. This step is crucial for maintaining suction power and efficiency. If you find this process a bit daunting, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum issues. Once the filter is dry, reinsert it into the vacuum and ensure it's secured properly. Finally, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if the vacuum still doesn't perform as expected, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, changing the cyclone in your Dyson SV17 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your vacuum's performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself, or you can take advantage of our professional services to make it even easier. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.